नमस्कार, मैं हूं रीना, आप देख रहे हैं एक्सपो मीडिया और आज मैं कवर करने आई हूं आई-टेक। आज हम बहुत कुछ जानेंगे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, डेवलपमेंट के बारे में, आर्किटेक्चर के बारे में, कंस्ट्रक्शन के बारे में। बस आपको एक छोटा सा काम करना है इस वीडियो देखने के लिए। आपको इस वीडियो को लाइक करना होगा, अपने लव वंस को शेयर करना होगा और आपको ये चैनल को अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब करना होगा, एक्सपो मीडिया हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों को, सो दैट आप ऐसी बहुत सारी वीडियोज़ और बहुत सारे एग्जीबिशंस के बारे में आप जान सकते हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक्सपो मीडिया में। तो ये इवेंट है वो कम्प्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। यहाँ पे आप आके बस आपको एक रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होगा। आप ऑन साइट रजिस्ट्रेशन भी कर सकते हैं। आपको इसके लिए आई-टेक की वेबसाइट पे जाना है। वहाँ पे जाकर अपने एज अ विजिटर रजिस्ट्रेशन पे आपको क्लिक करना होगा, अपनी बेसिक डिटेल्स फिल करनी होगी और आपका QR कोड आपके मेल पर आ जाएगा। वो QR कोड को आपको यहाँ पे आके दिखाना होगा और आपका हार्ड कॉपीज के मिल जाए। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इवेंट की जो डेट्स है वो 3 to 5 है। इवेंट की टाइमिंग 10 to 6 और जो इवेंट हो रहा है वो है ओखले NSIC ग्राउंड में। तो प्लीज़ आप इसका पार्ट बन सकते हैं। अगर आपको किसी भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए इंटीरियर डिज़ाइंस को लेकर या फिर किसी आर्किटेक्ट, अगर आप एक आर्किटेक्ट हैं और आपको बहुत सारे न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स देखते हैं, क्या न्यू लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, क्या शोकेसेस प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, तो बिल्कुल आप इस एग्जीबिशन को एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो। सो डू विजिट एंड डू चेक इट आउट एवरीथिंग इन आवर डिस्क्रिप्शन। सो लेट्स गो। हाय एवरीवन, दिस साइड रीना और मैं भी हूँ बिग बॉय टॉयज के बूथ में। मेरे साथ है मिस्टर गौरव और ये हैं क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर एंड दी हेड मार्केटिंग पर्सन बाय द वे। मुझे ये जानना है आपसे कि आई-टेक में आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
आई-टेक एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म है हमारे लिए, क्योंकि हम हमेशा या तो यूथ को टारगेट करते हैं या हम हाई एंड इवेंट्स पे या सिर्फ ऑटोमोबाइल्स में जाते हैं। जैसे लास्ट हमने ऑटो एक्सपो किया था, दैट वाज अ सुपर हिट फॉर अस। So now we're here to tap into a different kind of market, because here also what kind of people that are coming here, it's totally what we want to tap into. It's a new segment of people, new segment of showcasing also, coming here with all these kind of brands. So, just a new start for this new financial year for us.
That's great by the way. But Auto Expect completely different और IDEC एक complete different है. Like आप अपने आप को यहाँ पे कैसे fit कर रहे हैं?
Fit तो नहीं करते हैं हम, we stand out. So as you can see, what we bring here is completely out of the whole game here. So we are actually not focusing on fitting anywhere, but we're just trying to just showcase ourselves to a different segment of people. Diversification, that's what's happening right now.
That's great. Okay, so which car like today? Sometimes आप कभी कुछ और कार शोकेस करते हो, कभी कुछ, तो आज क्या शोकेस करोगे और वो हमारी ऑडियंस जानना चाहती है. सो कैन वी चेक इट आउट और हम एक राउंड लेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या ऑप्शंस आज हमारे पास है. सो लेट्स गो गाइस.
मैं हमारे पास जो हमारी पहली सुपर कार है, दैट इज अ McLaren 720S. Tej is here with us. He will tell you more about this car in detail. Tej, over to you.
Hi, this is Tej. So this is a 2022 McLaren 720S Spider, and 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. And this is a techie guy's best sports car, a dream car for many, but only preferred by tech people. So a person who loves drama and some noise, they usually go for Lambos. But people like us who are into tech and like the sportiness of the car, knowing that it outperforms other cars which are which seem like higher in numbers, but that's a 720S.
That's great. What's the price by the way?
Price varies from 5 to 7 CR. Depends upon the options for sure. So you can get the carbon options, you can get the Alcantara options, you can choose the colors you want.
What are the colors options by the way?
Color option, any color you want. So you have the palette, and you can even get custom colors in the car as per your choice. It's completely customized.
Take a round of the car and show the audience like.
Definitely. Come guys. So okay, what about the next one?
That's the Phantom 8, and this with a 6.75 liter V12, the utmost luxury, and you can see the length of the car, and just basically most comfortable sedan and most comfortable car you can get. You can see the luxuriness, and again, it's also a completely customizable option. Each and everything in the car is based upon your choice. Even the stitching of the car, you can choose the color of the thread that has to be used in the stitching of the car. You can choose the buttons, you can choose the leather options, everything. You have to tell them, and they'll make the car for you.
That's great. So why you choose these two cars only over here? Why not others?
Again, utmost luxury, utmost sportiness. That's it.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll take a round and we'll just explore more about the car. So can we please?
Please.
So for this car, I would like to request Madhav to give you a special tour, because this is one of one in India, and again one of the exotics Rolls Royce. So Madhav, over to you. Please give her a tour.
Okay, Mano, what's your name by the way?
My name is Madhav Goel.
Oh, that's great.
This is a 2018 model Rolls-Royce Phantom 8,
Okay.
featuring a 6.7 liter V12 engine.
Okay.
And to your news, the Phantom 8 would be the last combustible engine the Rolls-Royce would be using in the manufacturing now. The rumors have it, and so does the company, that they are switching to electric motors, like they have done with the Rolls-Royce Spectre. So this being the Phantom 8 is the pinnacle of luxury. The car features the minimalistic use of hard plastics. You'll only find premium leather. The matting, the floors on the Rolls-Royce Phantom is made up of lamb wool skin. So the lamb wool matting with the luxury leather interiors, pure opulent luxury in all its dynamics. The Rolls-Royce features the best-in-class air suspension. So you don't have to feel anything. Why don't we take a walk around?
Sure.
We're doing that. So you don't have to feel anything when you're driving inside the Rolls.
Okay.
We have the cameras that analyze the road and the pattern of your driving to adapt the car according to the roads. So that is the roof, which is having 1350 small LED lights and occasionally also shoots a shooting star.
Okay.
The constellation pattern is based on the pattern which we see above the factory of Rolls-Royce in England, Greenwood. So that's what we have got the Phantom 8 speciality.
design is also great that you are one step away from your living your superstar life, right?
Absolutely. Superstar, super comfortable. There's no match for this car. This is a style and a social statement in itself. Is identical to another one, unless and until the payments are a bit different than that of you had to see.
That's great. Okay, let's take round this side also.
Sure. Yeah.
So just a quick glance at the most beautiful engine that I have ever seen.
Oh God.
The cameraman is surely happy looking at this one.
This car is having a dual display. While in the normal mode, you have the simple full instrument cluster which is completely digital. And this is the noise of the car. So as you go into the sport mode, you can see that you can convert the instrument cluster into the sportier version so that you have no distractions. This is for the track. Only the gear indicator, the rev limiter and the speed of the car. So you have the complete focus on the road, on the track, and you don't have to worry about gimmicks coming up on the display. Because being a very track oriented car, this offers the best in class performance on the tracks. You have your different modes: comfort, sport and track. You can control the traction control, you can control the transmission control, the aerodynamics of the car. So basically this car is only for performance and a tint of luxury, since you can see you have the custom engravings all around with the yellow and black. Carbon finish on many panels of the car. The steering is carbon, the A-pillars are carbon, and you have completely suede leather, suede and Alcantara all over the car along with carbon.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Bhagwat. I am CSM here, and at Nemetschek we have all the BIM solution, which includes all the software from the sketch level to the design level to the construction level. So it includes all one and all solution. So happy to see you here.
Anya. I'm from Art Lab, and I'm the brand manager for Art Lab and Rat Lab. And Art Lab is an art vertical of Rat Lab where we put up bespoke and customized art installations, furniture, chandeliers, art pieces, and all sorts of art installations, indoor, outdoor, and on a bespoke manner.
हाय गाइस, तो मैं भी हूँ मिस्टर मैट के साथ और ये जो ब्रांड है वो है वॉरविक और ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया की कंपनी है. सो हाय सर, बेसिकली आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली ब्रांड इज ऑल अबाउट. What kind of product you're showcasing right now?
Sure. Okay, well, we're Warwick Fabrics from Australia. We're one of the largest international fabric brands, and we're a family company. But here we set up operations in India around 8 years ago. So right here in India, here in Delhi, we have our own experience centre and we have our own warehouse and stock. So that's our kind of business model. Here we're showcasing our range of home furnishings on the soft side. So we have curtain fabric, we have upholstery fabric. We have fabrics for outdoor. We try and be a bit of a one-stop solution for our customers. So right now we're showcasing a lot of fabrics using recycled fibres. So that's turning a PET bottle into fabric. So which is very exciting, the technology there at the moment.
That's great. So my next question to you is how's the response of the IDEC right now and the Indian customers, and how are you fitting yourself in the IDEC?
Great. Yeah, well, IDEC's been a great partner. This is now I believe our 5th time we've exhibited IDEC. So we've exhibited at Hyderabad before, we've exhibited at Calcutta, at Bombay, and now this is the first time for IDEC in Delhi. So it's been a good partner for us to connect with the architectural and the design community. Our fabrics are very much performance based, so I think there's a real connection there. We offer fabrics that are easy clean, that are high performance in abrasion and rub rates. We offer recycled. So we see IDEC as being a great partner to reach the architectural community. Also in the Indian community, we were one of the first international companies to set up operations here. So instead of dealing through a dealer or a distributor, we 8 years ago took the step in opening Warwick Fabrics India Private Limited. So even though we're an international brand based out of Australia, we have our roots now in India, and I have a team and staff here in Delhi, which is great. The response has been amazing. When we set up operations 8 years ago, we were a very small setup, and so over the last 8 years, we've just grown. We doubled our size, tripled our size, and now we're in a custom facility that we can stock over 100,000 metres of fabric. So the reaction from the customers via their business the last 8 years has been amazing. And now we're active in over 50 cities here in India. So the reaction's been great. So much so that I personally moved from Australia. I now live in Dubai, and that's so that I can be in India every month. So I'm a lot closer to the action.
That's great. Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English and Hindi. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ सत्यम कटियार। मैं ऑक्सिस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का डायरेक्टर हूँ एंड मेरी ब्रांड का नेम ऑक्सिस ऑटोमेशन है। हम लोग वन स्टॉप कंप्लीट होम ऑटोमेशन सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जो कि आपका इंक्लूड होता है आपका टच स्विचेस, कंट्रोल पैनल, स्मार्ट कर्टन एंड ब्लाइंड्स एंड स्मार्ट लाइटिंग।
I'm here with Mr. Ayush, and he's the CEO of his own company. I just wanted to know basically what exactly brand is all about and
Yeah.
for what purpose you're here,
Yeah.
and what kind of products you're showcasing in the IDEC.
So Millennium Marbles is a company which has like about 25 years of excellence, and we are more into premium natural marble, quartzite, exotic stones, travertine onyxes. So we have 3 plants in all over India. Through our 3 plants, we cater pan India, and we can cater to any kind of project which is big or small. So our main intention of being in IDEC is basically to capture the Delhi market, which is huge. Okay, the North India market is huge, and we are showing off our exotic stones. You can see as all around. Green is the tone which is now in trend. So yeah, the quartzite and the exotic granites is what we are focusing on this time. Yeah.
आपका जो ब्रांड बेसिकली आपको पता है कि 3 जगह पे इन इंडिया कौन सी जगह पे है?
सो हमारा जो ब्रांड है वो मिलेनियम मार्बल है, एंड हमारा हेड ऑफिस बॉम्बे में है. हमारी फर्स्ट फैक्ट्री सिलवासा में थी, विच वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1998. उसके बाद हमने हमारी दूसरी फैक्ट्री डाली शूलगिरी में, जो बैंगलोर से 2 घंटे दूरी पे है. एंड देन इन सितंबर 22 हमने किशनगढ़ में हमारा लास्ट फैक्ट्री किया. हमने अभी गुरुग्राम का शोरूम भी 1 साल हो गया हमने इसको इस्टेब्लिश किया है. सो राउंड अबाउट हम हर एक सिटी में हमारा प्रेजेंस है. बैंगलोर में, शूलगिरी में, जयपुर में, किशनगढ़ में, बॉम्बे में, दिल्ली में, गुरुग्राम में. सो थ्रू दिस हम पूरे इंडिया को वी कैन केटर टू ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द कंट्री.
ओके, आपके पास एग्जैक्टली मार्बल्स के अलावा कौन सी कैटेगरी और है?
हम बेसिकली मार्बल्स सो हमारी कंपनी जो है इट्स फोकसिंग ओनली ऑन नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स. ठीक है, तो नेचुरल मार्बल जो क्वेरी से निकलती है, नथिंग मैन मेड. एक तो मार्बल है, एक है ऑनिक्स, देन देयर इज क्वार्ट्जाइट, देयर इज एक्सोटिक स्टोन्स, and we also travertine is there. So these are the 4 verticals which we're concentrating more on. And then also हमने बहुत सारे value added services marble पे करना चालू कर दिया. We are into marble furniture, we are into CNC products, and we do almost unparalleled range of finishes, almost about 100 finishes, value added finishes on marble, depending on what the client's requirement is. Millennium Marble as a brand is a brand which is it's catering to each and every category of person, or person who wants to make their house. HNIs, may it be a normal person, may it be a middle class family, may it be a rich person. We cater to each and every league of people in India. Accordingly, we have different unparalleled range of marbles with different prices, right? So my message to everybody would be that you should always go in for natural marble, right? Go in for natural stone rather than going for agglomerated stone, because one thing, natural stone has great durability, and it's an epitome of its own self, right? So the way you apply it, put it, and everything, it looks way better. And yeah, that's what. And we are into a natural business, so natural marble business. So I would obviously promote that. And my message to Delhi would be, Millennium Marble is here. That's it.
Thanks a lot.
Millennium Marbles, timeless beauty.
Exquisite.
Nature's art.
Elegant.
Millennium Marbles, super luxe.
Millennium Marbles.
My name is Nipun Narula. I am the CEO of Sri Triveni Crafts. We deal into firefighting solutions. We have our own manufacturing unit where we manufacture fire extinguishers, fire hydrants, fire alarms, and we do turnkey firefighting projects pan India.
We are from New Green Building Technology. We are leader in drainage system, and we have more solutions for drainage system, just like Mia fabricated drains and ATT Ionex and Kessel shower channels.
We are into prefabricated landscaping drain channels, as well as for interior based drains like for bathroom, as well as recess chamber and all.
गाइस एंड तक बने रहने के लिए। आई होप आपने इस वीडियो को काफ़ी एंजॉय किया होगा। आपने देखा कि हमने बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के इंटरव्यूज़ लिए, बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स को हमने कवर किए, जैसे कि मार्बल्स के बारे में हो, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट्स के बारे में हो, या फिर मैट्स के बारे में हो, कारपेट्स के बारे में हो, बहुत सारे शो प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में हो। सो बस आपको एक छोटा सा काम करना है, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो आपको लाइक करना होगा, शेयर करना होगा एंड हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा, एक्सपो मीडिया इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी को। और हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करना ना भूलें, expo.media.tv, जिसमें आप सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन आप जान सकते हैं कि हम कहाँ कौन से इवेंट्स कवर करने वाले हैं। थैंक्स अ लॉट गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग इट।